Welcome to the intriguing world of Pinterest, where your digital vision boards can evolve into profitable ventures. Picture this. Millions of users visit Pinterest daily for inspiration, ideas, and products. This creates a perfect opportunity for savvy individuals like you to monetize your presence. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or a content creator, Pinterest offers various ways to generate income. One popular method is affiliate marketing. By partnering with brands and promoting their products through affiliate links, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Another profitable strategy involves sponsored pins, where brands collaborate with influential Pinterest users to reach a broader audience. For those selling products, Pinterest acts as a visual marketplace, allowing you to display your offerings directly to an engaged audience. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Think of affiliate marketing on Pinterest as recommending your favorite products to a friend, but on a grander scale. When you believe in a product and think it would benefit your audience, you can join affiliate programs and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The key to success is authenticity and transparency. Disclose your affiliate relationships clearly. Build trust by promoting only products you genuinely believe in, and integrate affiliate links seamlessly within your content. Create eye-catching pins that highlight the benefits and uses of the products you're promoting. Use compelling visuals, concise descriptions, and a clear call to action to encourage clicks and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Focus on providing value, nurturing relationships, and watch as your affiliate income steadily grows. On Pinterest, content reigns supreme, and crafting visually appealing pins is crucial for grabbing attention and driving traffic. Think of your pins as visual appetizers, enticing users to click through for more. High-quality images are paramount. Use bright, clear photos or graphics that reflect your content. Craft compelling descriptions that provide context and lure users in. Strategically use keywords to boost your pin's visibility in search results. Diversify your content with stunning product photography, eye-catching infographics, or step-by-step DIY tutorials to enhance your Pinterest appeal. Section 4. Pinterest SEO and Analytics Unlocking Discoverability and Growth. Just like Google, Pinterest has its own algorithm that determines which pins appear in search results. Understanding Pinterest SEO is crucial for ensuring your content reaches your target audience. Identify relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for and incorporate them naturally into your pin descriptions, board titles, and profile information. Optimize your Pinterest profile to reflect your niche or brand. Use a clear business name, write a compelling bio, and enable the Shop tab if you're selling products. Claim your website and other social media accounts to enhance your credibility. Use Pinterest Analytics to tailor your content strategy, optimize your pin scheduling, and track the performance of your pins. Section 5. Success Stories, Real People, Real Profits on Pinterest. Countless individuals and businesses have achieved remarkable success on Pinterest, turning their passions into profitable ventures. Take, for instance, the food blogger who grew her following by sharing delectable recipes and stunning food photography. By incorporating affiliate links for kitchenware and ingredients, she now earns significant passive income. Or consider the handmade jewelry maker who showcases her unique creations to a wider audience, driving traffic to her online store and enjoying steady sales. Section 6. Getting Started, Your Action Plan for Pinterest Profitability. Now that you're familiar with the money-making potential of Pinterest, it's time to put your knowledge into action. First, create a Pinterest business account if you haven't already. This will give you access to valuable analytics and tools to optimize your profile for success. Define your niche and target audience. Start creating high-quality, visually appealing pins that align with your niche and resonate with your target audience. Use a mix of pin formats, incorporate relevant keywords, and promote your pins across your other social media channels. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities within your niche. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community. Stay patient, experiment with different strategies, and never stop learning. By staying dedicated and adaptable, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the pin profits you desire.